Welcome to i3 Tech channel where learning is made easy. Today, we are looking at ACT, and this is a video tutorial. What is ACT? ACT, or also known as Annexxus Configuration Tool, is a software that shows you all i3 cameras that are connected to your network. Also, it allows you to assign entire range of IP addresses to all i3 cameras. To configure your i3 camera, you need to install i3 Annexxus Configuration Tool, which can be found at i3 International's website. Let's start with installing ACT. In your web browser, type in www.i3international.com. Hover over the support menu and click the Downloads page. Once you're in the Downloads page, click the i3 Pro icon, and under SRX Pro add-ons select the Annexxus Configuration Tool. Scroll to the bottom of the i3 software license agreement and click I accept. Wait while the ACT installation package is downloaded by your browser. Locate and unzip the downloaded ACT package. Run the installation file and follow installation prompts until ACT installation is completed. Double-click the ACT shortcut on your desktop to launch it. Then, Annexxus Configuration Tool window will open. Once you've installed Annexxus Configuration Tool, you'll be able to set a new password on your i3 cameras. To do that, choose the inactive camera and on the Global Camera Settings column select the Setup Password. Enter your custom password and click OK to save changes. Wait until it says Success. After that, the security status will change to Active. Open ACT and select an i3 camera. Uncheck the default account checkbox. Type an i3 admin in the username field and your new password in the password field. Under the device communication update, assign the desired IP address. Click Update and the Yes button to apply the new setting to the selected device. All detected cameras can be assigned to an IP range by selecting 2 or more i3 cameras in ACT. Then type in the starting IP address and the final IP octet for your IP range. Click Update and then Yes in the confirmation window. Wait until success message is shown for all selected cameras. Annexxus Configuration Tool allows changing cameras' video settings, such as codec, resolution, and frame rate. To make changes to these settings, click on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner to switch to the advanced mode. Next, click on All Models drop-down menu, and select one camera model. Frame rate and resolution changes can be applied one model at a time only. After selecting the camera model, select one or more cameras in the list. Adjust codec, resolution and frame rate settings as required. The standard frame rate for most i3 cameras is 3 frames per second for the mainstream and 10 frames for the substream. The mainstream resolution is set to the highest resolution provided by the camera, and the substream is set to 4 CIF or 720x480. Make sure that correct camera credentials are entered before you apply any setting changes. Click Apply to save the changes that has been made on camera video settings. Once you set up all the camera, it is recommended that technician keep a copy of the camera setting. To do that, simply click the gear icon that can be found on the right corner of ACT and click Export Camera List. Export will always be in CSV format, and when you open the file in Excel, you can see multiple columns of the camera's IP address, MAC address, and serial number. Import is the reverse of the export. That pretty much covers Annexxus Configuration Tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated of our latest videos.